I'm about to show you how to isolate your crown. So I'm not gonna do much talking, I'm just gonna get into it real quick. How to isolate your crown for a beehive waiver. It's just how I would comb it. Let me start out with the pattern first, because you gotta change your angles. So it shouldn't mess up your connections if you got a set pattern. So notice how on the left side I'm combing down. Like down on an angle, but different how I usually would. Then we'll come back like this. Like if I had 540s, but I'm going counterclockwise. On this side, you just kind of go up. So at least that's what I do. For the top, you just slant it. This is how I comb the crown. But you gotta find where your natural crown is, because if you don't, then it'll probably be harder. But your crown will wave better if you find your natural crown. Some people's crown is over here, more to the right or more to the left. Mine's, I believe it's like where it is now. I've never seen my crown area anywhere else but in the middle. Still trying to get used to these angles. Yeah. This is how I would brush it. The same angles go for when you brush. keep consistent strokes. Just turn right up. That's how you do it. Hope this helped y'all with the beehive crown. Cause if it's going the wrong way when you brush, then there's a likely chance that it's in the wrong spot. Peace out. Just make sure you get a good lineup, cause ain't nobody trying to see that. Alright, outie.